jars transport, reject, accumulate, and divert with unique curved operator walkthrough design by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently provided a series of washdown stainless steel construction tabletop conveyors for open jars of peanut butter. However, for demonstration and hygienic purposes, we've substituted actual product with similar size cap jars. The initial multi-conveyor line starts at the juncture of the customer's existing hot fill line exit, not shown. Customer-installed sensors determine whether a jar meets criteria to proceed to the customer's existing metal detector, also not shown, or if it is rejected onto this accumulation reject conveyor section. Multi-Conveyor provided a Lexan enclosure around the accumulation reject conveyor section with sliding doors providing safety until the rejected jars are manually retrieved. Both 40 and 90-degree curves, including an S-curve, were incorporated based on the customer's plant layout. The curves also formed a common-sense, cost-effective operator walkthrough access lane between the filler and capper conveyors. Very cool. A secondary reject was added midstream. This one pin pull divert dumps jars that fail metal detection inspection. When the detector throws an alert, the operator will manually divert the gate to send rejects into a bin below. Septimatech single-side manual rail brackets with ratchet handles effortlessly adjust straights and curves in seconds, providing reduced changeover time for a variety of current and future product dimensions. Other features include stainless steel tent-style top covers for added food safety in transit, seamless parallel transfers or chain drift, and special transition discharge guide rails, to name a few. See even more uniquely designed, proven, common-sense conveyor solutions by visiting our website at www.multi-conveyor.com. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. Let's discuss your new conveyor project. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best, conveyed better.